Introducing the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 10,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.